Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Style Explosion. I hope you people are doing really well. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you this amazing makeup look that I have created today for you people. And again, this makeup look is created out of very minimal products, out of very affordable products, and these are all drugstore products. It can be easily affordable by the teenagers, college going girls, housewives, anyone. So these are not at all very high-end products like very high-end brands. These are very affordable, and if you really love this look, then do give it a big thumbs up, and do like this video, do share this video with your friends, and also do consider subscribing to my channel because this gives me a lot of encouragement to bring out more such content for you in future. And also you can follow me on Instagram. This is my Instagram handle, so you can follow me for all my me related content, for getting all such my me related stuff. So yeah, without further ado, let me quickly dive into the video part. To prep my skin, I'm using a rose water and will apply it with the help of a cotton pad all over my face because hydration and preparing a clear base is essential for a flawless makeup. Rose water acts as a perfect toner for a radiant looking skin. Next, to add that extra hydration and for that plump looking skin, I'm using a moisturizing cream. Moisturizing is a very important step as it helps to avoid cakiness or patchiness of your makeup. You can use any moisturizer of your choice. I will massage it gently all over my face, and you can see the amount of glow it adds to your face instantly. After this, I will apply CC cream by dotting it on my face and will dab it with the help of my fingers. CC cream is known to give you light to medium coverage, so we will apply a thin layer of CC cream at the beginning, and if required, we can build up the coverage later on. Popping on a little CC cream can hide all the skin imperfections for that beautifully natural look. I always prefer using my fingers to blend the CC cream into my skin to make it look really natural. So gently and evenly blend it into your skin all over your face using your fingertips for that no makeup look. And it's already blended well. Now to set up everything on my face, I'm using the Flawless Finishing Powder from the brand Blue Heaven, which is again very affordable. Translucent powder gives you a matte finish and is also known to give you an illuminating effect. You can choose any translucent powder of your choice. I'm going to dust it all over my face, and this will ensure that your makeup is in place. It will not crease and you will look flawless. Blend this really well all over my face, my cheeks. Indeed, it's perfect for everyday look. So the coverage of translucent powder is really great. It actually controls the excess oil and gives you a silky finish. So make sure it's blended well. Now for the blush, I'm using a blush palette from the brand Blue Heaven in the shade 04, and will use this baby pink color and will apply it to the apples of my cheeks. Firstly, I'm dotting the color using my fingertips and then will switch it on to the brush to blend it all over my cheeks. I personally prefer using powder blushes as it's kinda good go-to because it works really well for all the skin types, and powder blush stays on for a very longer period of time. So I'm still blending it for that naturally looking radiant cheeks. And yay, it's so pinkish. Now for my kajal, I'm using this 2x Intense Kajal Eyeliner Pencil from the brand Blue Heaven in the blue shade, and it looks totally mesmerizing when you wear this kajal. Now for my eyeshadow, I'm again using the eyeshadow palette from the brand Blue Heaven in the shade 04. So to begin with, I'm using this brown shade as my base color and will apply it all over my eyelid. So make sure it's blended nicely. Now I have taken the purple color from the blush palette and will place it all over my outer V to give it a little depth to my eyes. So keep sweeping your brush back and forth to blend in the color. Now I will place the vibrant blue shade on my eyelid and will blend this color with the other shades to add that extra drama. Also, I have brushed a light yellow color from the eyeshadow palette onto the inner corner of my eyes to highlight them. Now moving on to my lipstick, I'm using the Blue Heaven Hyperstay Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Ginger Brown. It's a very beautiful looking nude shade with a hint of brown and looks really flattering on your lips when you wear it. Now coming back to my eyes, I'm going to complete my look by applying the same 2x Intense Eyeliner Kajal Pencil as my eyeliner. I'm going to create a half-winged eyeliner and will smudge it with the help of a brush to get a more dramatic result. So I'm kinda going to create a smoky eye look with this eyeliner. Also, I'm someone who doesn't like mascara and filling my brows, so I will be skipping that step. And see, it's look really amazing. So guys, here's the final look using the CC cream. And that's it from this video. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial. And if you did, then please do leave it a like. Do share this video with your friends. Do leave your amazing comments in the comment section. And yes, please continue to shower your love and support on my channel by clicking the subscribe button, as this motivates me a lot to share more such content with you in future. And also, I will be seeing you very soon in my next video. So keep watching my videos, keep supporting this new YouTuber. So bye for now, you take care, stay well and stay happy.